Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back, and I'm super excited. So remember earlier on in the year I said that I wanted to do a series 2 of Harry Potter. Well, I have now come up with the first painting, and this has been on my wish list for a while, but you know when you're sort of like debating, do I, don't I, because I wanted to start it last year, but you know we ran out of time on that. So I was like, we are so definitely doing a Harry Potter series 2, and I know Lazy Retired Granny wants to whip along with me doing that. We've got 14 colours. They seem to be getting shorter and shorter, and it's a 30 times 40. And don't you worry, guys, we have a lot of paintings for series 2. So I'm very excited about this. Again, it's my lovely flat designs. A lot of people do say that these, when there's a bend in it, they do pop off, but a bit of sealer will sort yourself out. If you just get yourself some of this from Craft Buddy, that'll sort that out, no problem. It's crazy to think that a year ago, I never used to seal my paintings, and then the thing is with diamond painting is that the more you do it, the more upgrades you get. But oh yes, oh look at that. Oh, this is epic. Oh, that is really nice. So we've got like Ravenclaw, Hufflepuff, Slytherin. You've got the Harry Potter logo there and that lovely crest. And again, this is one that I was going to get a crest with the works, but I don't think they do it anymore. And then what I love about this is the different colours for the houses. And then you've got that lovely logo of the Hogwarts there. We don't get very many paintings with words in it, and I really love this. This is absolutely gorgeous. And if you look very closely, what you can see here, you can see there's like little shapes in between the border here. Now, I did show Lazy Retired Granny a snippet of this, and she did think that it was a partial. I can tell you it's a full drill. This is absolutely stunning. I wonder if that's like a... No, it's not a glow in the dark, but I wonder how that's going to look against this black. But that is absolutely... Look at the little loophole as well. Oh, wow. Again, lots of creative ideas here. What you could do, once it's finished, cut that out, you know, discard the border, and then you could probably put like a, you know, a chain through it or something and hang it on the wall. Or, again, discard the border. You know, it's up to you if you drill it or you're not. If you're going to discard it, there's no point in drilling it. But you could put some cardboard on the back and then put a frame on it. Or you could cut it out and then put it on your wall as a poster, you know. This is absolutely... Oh, man, I love it. I'm mad about Harry Potter. I'm crazy about Harry Potter. I love Harry Potter stuff. So I have lots of memorabilia with it. Cups and figures and all sorts, really. But this is absolutely stunning. So, yeah, let me get one of the figures, actually. So this is like, we had a company in the UK called Egmos, and they did like figures, and these were like the figures. So we have here what we call Train, who sadly passed away. He played Hagrid, Rubus Hagrid, and you see it used to be called where is it? Egmos, somewhere down here. Oh, maybe it's not on there, but yeah, these things they're not made anymore because the company went bust, but they are floating about, you know. eBay, HMV sell some, so it just depends where you can grab them from. And then obviously this one's from Fantastic Beasts and where to find them, and that's Jacob. So yeah, they sort of had like 2 series. So they had like all the Harry Potter figures, and then they changed into like the follow-up series, which was Fantastic Beasts and where to find them. So as you can probably tell, I love my Harry Potter stuff. But back to diamond painting, guys. So in here, they very kindly sent us a bag with 2 of these lovely white crystal pens. We don't normally get them. They normally send us them cheap tacky pink ones, but if you're new to diamond painting, you start off with them, and then once you get like really like professional into it, like a lot of us who do diamond painting, then of course you can upgrade your pens. And yeah, once you get used to it, have a bit of a upgrade and get some decent pens. Because I'm not being funny, but when you hold it doesn't feel like you're writing with a pen. I like a big chunky pen to write with. So we've got dark blue, we've got a peach, we've got a blue. That's a very lovely blue indeed. We've got some sort of yellow colours here, a bit of tangy orange there, a sort of coffee colour and a white. And then we've also got, la la la, we've got a blue, a green, very, very beautiful green. I absolutely love that. And that colour keeps cropping up, it's lovely. Then we've got a sandy sort of whitey sort of brown colour. Sandy colour, I reckon. And then look at that, man. That is super vibrant. And then we've got the green. That's a very small colour. What colour is that? 5. Number 5 is... Well, whatever number 5 is. Yeah, it's just this sort of like thin sliver there, I reckon. So, yeah. And then we've got another green. A very vibrant red. Tessa's favourite colour there. And then a slightly lower shade red. And then a couple of black drills. So yeah, when I got the voucher, I was like, the first thing I'm getting is a new Harry Potter painting. So yes, I'm absolutely love it. It was £6.99 and well worth every penny spent on this. Absolutely over the moon with this. Hogwarts Express and Roll On Series 2 coming your way in January 2024. Roundabout, I'm probably thinking April or May. But you know what I'm like, I swap and change like the weather. So yeah, but it's likely going to be around then. But anyway, I hope you like that video. Massive humbly thanks to Lazy Retired Granny, who very, very kindly sent me an Amazon gift card for Christmas. Ever so generous of her. And yeah, so I am really, really happy with my purchase. Thank you so much for watching, liking, sharing, subscribing, even spending your afternoon watching the video. It really, really means a lot to me as a creator. But until next time, have a lovely day and we'll see you next time. Bye.